What's up, guys? Welcome back to RT2CC Comic Club. I'm Justin, and I want to show you guys something. I rewound it because they did the jobs report, and by the time you see this video, you'll already probably have heard about it, but it's just really cool seeing how what happened. So check it out. I'm going to hit play.
Yesterday, market made a stand in the midst of all the tariff talk and actually ended up closing the day.
Here we go. Here comes the jobs numbers. Notice the futures are red, obviously.
We look like 287 or so, 287 and a half right now. Let's get to Hampton. Hampton Pearson's going to help us this morning with these numbers, which are due
right, check out
now. Hampton, the numbers, please.
313,000. Non-farm
look at that
increase in February.
Market like that one.
13,000 jobs. The unemployment rate
just
is
jumps up immediately.
Average hourly earnings 0.1%.
Now look at the futures.
6% year over year.
So that is awesome. Hopefully for this Friday will be a good day. You know, we're still trying to claw our way back to our all-time high, but we're still a long ways away. But who knows? Maybe today will be a good day. We'll make maybe we'll do 5 figures again and kind of help us jump back up in there. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. There's still a lot can happen, but we're looking at over 100 right now, so that's really sweet. And Snickers is excited. That's why she just jumped off the couch and is now. Oh, she saw the reflection from my phone on the wall, so she's going crazy now. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. So we'll see what happens when the market opens.
We had an 800.
Alright, so speaking of a little bit later, it is Sunday now, so a lot later, but we did really well. I'll post a screenshot of how the stocks did. We did a lot of, almost every stock went up. I think Tesla was the only one who finished down, but I am not complaining because they didn't go down by that much anyways. But yeah, we had a lot of great performers. We had Amazon, Universal Display. I did get some Netflix 2020 calls because I realized that I had money sitting aside, and I forgot about it somehow. So I wanted to get back into Netflix because I saw it was going up a lot. So I jumped on some 2020 calls for Netflix. I forget what strike I picked, maybe 370 or something like that. But you can see on the screenshot. And that already started going up even after we bought it. So that was really exciting. Our covered calls for OLED finished in the money, so unfortunately we'll probably lose those shares. I didn't really feel like buying the shares back, or that call back. What I'm going to do is take that money and buy some 2020 calls for OLED. Maybe some more of those. And I also wanted to get, I don't know, just some 2020 calls in general. I want to start getting. Because I'm not sure how 2018 is going to play out. So I think 2020 would be a much safer play than 2019 expiration. So I'm going to do that. And I also want to talk about Black Panther because I did go see that this weekend and it was awesome. And based on that, I also saw some previews for the next Ant-Man movie, which looks amazing. Definitely going to see that one. So I'm actually thinking about getting maybe a 2020 call for Disney, maybe 1 or 2, because I do think they got a lot of good movies coming up, and they are putting a lot more money into their theme parks, which are making a lot of money. And I saw a headline saying that, speaking of how Black Panther, how good it was, it even outpaced the Wrinkle in Time movie, which just came out this weekend. Black Panther, which is almost a month old now, still sold more ticket sales than that movie did, which was unexpected, but it just shows how good that movie is and how many people like it. So I think that's really good news, and I'm sure there's going to be a Black Panther sequel, so that you know, that's another good thing to look forward to. So yeah, we're going to leave it there. Question of the day, I haven't done that in a while, but if you have seen Black Panther, what were your thoughts on it? Did you like it? Did you not like it? I'm really interested to hear your opinions on that. So please comment in the comment section below how you like that movie. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend, and we will see you guys tomorrow.